Established in 1895 and celebrated for their cycling legacy, Schwinn knows just what you're looking for in a bicycle. From men's to women's to kids, they have a bike for everyone. Enjoy a bike that makes urban cycling easy with the Loop by Schwinn. The Loop features a folding steel frame that's both durable and exceptionally convenient for those with limited storage space. The Shimano 7-speed twist shifters and Shimano derailleur team up to provide smooth gear changes, while the front and rear linear pull brakes deliver secure stops. 20-inch wheels with alloy rims and smooth rolling street tires are perfect for your weekday commute or weekend ride around town. There's even a rear carrier with a heavy gauge nylon bag, making it super easy to haul your backpack, groceries, or whatever else you need to carry on your ride. Then when you're all done, just fold the bike right up into its ultra-compact storage configuration and you can tuck it away until it's time to go again. Like all Schwinn bikes, the Loop comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Convenience is the name of the game with the Loop. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.
These are some of the features of our Vilano folding bicycle. We start with a stylish, lightweight aluminum folding frame with water bottle and rack eyelets. Very clean lines with no cables. Single speed coaster brake design. Easy to use frame clamp system that allows you to fold the bike for easy transport and storage in tight spaces, boats, and RVs.
Welcome to the ZiZZO Get Started series. We've made these videos to guide you through the process of getting to know your bike. In video 1, we'll be showing you how to unpack and unfold your ZiZZO. Once you've got the box open, remove the parcel containing the owner's manual and multi-tool. Your owner's manual is a great resource for getting to know your ZiZZO. Next, remove the seat post. You can set it aside for later. Now it's time to get a good grip on the frame and pull the bike out of the box. Remove the plastic protector at the frame hinge. After removing the Velcro strap, unfold the frame by pulling the front end away from the rear end. Insert the seat post and close the quick release. Remove the packing material. Unfold the handlebars. And close the stem lock. Now we can remove the rest of the packing material from the bike. Unfold your pedals if you haven't yet, and rotate the handlebars to a natural position. And that's it. You've now fully unpacked and unfolded your ZiZZO. I know you're excited to hop on the bike, but just wait. In video 2, we're going to perform a quick safety check.